Hey guys, it's Bats here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow so we can bring you more quality content, and then we'll go ahead and get you to the gardens at Bellagio a lot faster. Alright, what up, you guys? Ace of Bats over here representing Ace of Vegas, and we have a job to do today. So one of my mates just turned me on to this new site called MyVegasAdvisor. So we're going to go ahead and check that out over here just to see if it's exactly what it says on the tin, if we can get some good stuff out of it. I really want to see if it's any good or not, so let's go ahead and dive right on into it, and let's get started from our Google page. So this is the first time I actually get to look at this. I'm actually really excited about it. He's real hyped about it. I guess he's involved in the development too, which I think is really cool. I think it's really cool that I know a guy who knows a guy now. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. We got to the home page, and right away I'm noticing it's pretty clean, it's pretty modern, everything's just right there for you. So that's a good thing that I'm noticing right away right now. And let's go ahead and keep moving on while we're here in the studio. Okay, so looks like MyVegasAdvisor. So looks like it is a centered website around MyVegas slots. We're talking. We got free chips over here, which is a good thing. So there's always free chips over here, and oh, that's a really good feature. It's got calendars too. Okay, so it's got little blog posts, more calendars, show calendars, information on the bottle pop here, and it's got a navigation bar. I think I would have liked the navigation bar on this side a little bit more, just in the upper left-hand corner, that I could just run up and down, but it also keeps them on the top bar over here too, so it's not an actual problem. So you can get chips over here, it looks like. Let's go ahead and check out the Facebook chips. Oh, okay, this is actually pretty cool. So it's just like when you pick them up from Hippodrome, or if you're picking up chips from the official Vegas fan site. So I'm not sure if you guys know this, but you can actually get free chips from the official fan site of the Hippodrome Casino. I think MGM has one. They just post them on their Facebook page every day. Alright, so it looks like I've already redeemed this one over here. So let's go ahead and check a few other ones. I want to see how we're doing here. So it looks like it does keep track still, because it's the same codes that you get from there, so they don't get unique codes. But this is pretty convenient, actually, if you're just trying to keep it all in one place. And it keeps it for, it looks like the entire month, so that's expired. That's expired. Let's see if I can get you an example of one that I haven't redeemed yet. I am a little bit, oh, there we go, boom. I'm a little bit of a free chip maniac, as you can see. Alright. But yeah, you get some free chips here, usually 250,000 or 30,000, depending on which promotion you're getting right there. So that's good. 30,000 there, another 30,000 there. A lot of people ask me how I get so many chips in the first place, and this is how I do it. I go to sites like this and pick them up. There's one other site I know of that's actually pretty good, but this I think is better. It looks like it's a little more expansive, really, and I like that. 300, 30,000, another 30,000. Another 30,000. I mean, the amount doesn't matter to me. It's free chips. Free chips are free chips. That's free resources. And like I always say, the important thing about playing this game here, you want to make sure your resources are on point. So that's why we do the things we do in the studio, so you can have all the resources to keep playing and keep taking advantage of the system here. Yeah, so we got another, probably over a million chips that we've gathered here. You can go to play now over here, and that'll take me straight to the game. And it'll show me how many chips I have. See how many chips I ended up with. Okay. There's a quest. There's always a 45 million? Am I reading that right? Hold up. 45 million chips after that. So I collected like 4 million chips or something insane, and then I get my free chips from here, and then all this good stuff over here, and I can run around my strip, and I can pick up more chips from the hotels over here. So I'm gonna have a good day tomorrow. Okay, so it keeps all the chips in one spot, which I think is really great too. And then also it has the option for mobile chips over here, so you can select between MyVegas slots mobile, pop slots, and my Konami slots. And I'm not sure if you guys didn't know, but they don't have the They don't have blackjack chips anymore, but they do have a section for it over here. My Vegas blackjack codes. You can't click. Oh, look at this. Oh, they replaced it with a strategy section. That's pretty neat. I might actually try this out over here. It looks like this is a chart. Wizard of Oz. Okay, okay. All right. So they cited the source. That's good. There's an advanced strategy over here. You know, I might try this out. I might try this out. I have a lot of chips right now. My blackjack's over here, so this might actually help me increase my stack a little bit. Good to know. A couple ads over here. 1 million. Okay, we got real results. We got real results over here. And what's the rest of the website looking like over here? So it looks like it's yeah, it looks like we're selling a couple things. Beatles Love by Cirque, Blue Man Group. Blue Man Group is actually outstanding. I went there with my best bro actually. His first time in Vegas, we went there, and that was a really good time. Looks like we got you all the way through December on a lot of these, so you can actually get a really, really good deal here. $50 on tickets for Chris Angel. I'm not a Chris Angel fan. I don't know why. The guy just freaks me out, and not the cool sort of way there. So, Fantasy, I enjoyed that one. The comedian's actually really good in there. A couple of ladies that were like really, really talented. You know, a couple of them just do like really basic kind of stripper burlesque routines. Some of them do like really cool stuff. There's this girl that did the Spider-Man thing. She was like hanging on the silk and flying upside down and like shooting webs at it. Well, she wasn't shooting webs at us. I lied. It was awesome. Actually, it was really cool. And we got the Jabberwockies, of course, too. So that's good. It looks like it's a little bit of everything. Lots of MGM sort of stuff too. Let's see, hotels. Let's see, My Cheap Vegas. So this does take you to another website. It's an external site. Looks like there are some exclusive rates here. So if you don't have enough chips for a free room, I guess this is what they're trying to do over here. I'm glad that they put it a little farther down the website, so it's not like it's pushing it on you. Dining, that interests me. So this one keeps it there. Not much deal on the dining. DoorDash, okay, so that's pretty cool. So I guess if you just wanted to order something for room service or just in general, that's pretty nice. Ooh. Now here's an interesting one, calendars, because they don't really put the calendar up anymore. They just give you a code and they force you to. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever redeemed a free room or redeemed a cheap room rate or anything like that on MyVegas. Here's how it works. So what you do is you actually go to the game. So actually I can show you. You go to the game, and then you go under your rewards section over here. Now you want to do this in your Facebook. I'm just going to go ahead and do this in my blackjack just because it's already here, but you always want to do this on Facebook and on the actual thing. I don't really care for my card over here. All right, but you always want to do this on the actual Facebook. Let's say we're going to let's go to Bellagio, one of the most popular hotels on the strip. So what you do is you go over to Bellagio or whatever, and you find a complimentary room, right? And it'll go ahead and let you know, check terms and conditions, but it doesn't exactly tell you what days are available, so you agree to it, and then you gotta actually figure out what's going on there. What this does is it actually shows you all the promotional calendars I can see, which is pretty cool. Let's organize. Let me see something. Okay, cool. So you can actually go via hotel. Let me see. Yeah, you can go via hotel, so I can actually check the Bellagio dates. Bellagio is dingy AF in October. Do not go to Bellagio in October, apparently. November, a week in November would be nice. December looks like it's a really great time to go, so we might look into that. I don't know, maybe get the boss lady on that for like a weekend time. I don't know why I danced. I'm gonna stop dancing. All the rates, like the 25% off rate, the 2 comp nights rate, the 1 comp night rate, and the fixed rate. There's cheaper ones, so if you really want to get some type of discount on there, you can. For like less than 10,000 coins, you can get like a real cheap rate on it. Doesn't take care of fees, but obviously it's a nice thing there. So that's really cool. I like this. This is actually a really awesome feature. And then there's a little blog over here. It explains, I guess there are a couple little things. Top 5 rewards. So it's kind of like what I do on the channel. Sometimes I'll do like a top list or something like that, or extra little features, that sort of thing there. So this is pretty cool, actually. I like this. Having the bubbly bonus over here, so that's nice. The bottle pop, that's something I never get a chance to talk about, really. You get a one-time bonus over here for free, just depending on how well you played. But it's not something that you really get to do anymore, so that's pretty nice. Okay, and it lets you know if the promotion's available or not. Alright, this is a good site. This is a good site. Tells you a lot. There's a lot to do. And you can actually post on Facebook. Alright, so you can post that. Alright, good deal. Let's get it now. What else do we have over here? So there's a site map. You can actually contact these guys too, in case you have a special question or something along those lines. That's really good. Alright. Well, you know, I like this. This is cool. Minimal ads. Now, to run a website nowadays, it does cost money. You kind of got to run ads on your website. That's just how it is. So I'm not going to rate it down for that. It's a pretty clean look. It's a little basic, but it's clean. It presents everything. Everything's pretty easy to find. You got menus too, which I do like. I would like the layout to be a little more, maybe a little more mobile friendly. I might check out the mobile site actually and show you guys how to do these mobile chips. Actually, I think would be a good idea too. So I'll show you how to break down the mobile chips, and that'll be pretty dope. So we'll get into that. But yeah, this is a good website. It's got a whole little list of frequently asked questions too. Play studios. Okay, so it's got a lot of extra stuff here that you can actually even ask for extra special questions too, and it's got a link to another Facebook group actually. A big My Vegas Facebook group. This is where I post a few of my videos every once in a while, where I actually learn how to play the game too. So it's a good place to be. Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah, we got ourselves a solid site. You got a search bar over here. You can go ahead and follow them on Twitter and Facebook and all that. Exactly what it needs to do, exactly what it says on the tin. It advises you and gets you a little something extra with your My Vegas stuff. 5 out of 5. That's all you need. That's exactly what it is. I like it, and I think I'm going to use this a lot in the future. I think you should too, if you want to get the most out of your My Vegas experience. So, on that bombshell, MyVegasAdvisor signing out, and I'm going to look at these mobile chips over here because I'm a little low on my Konami slots.